Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a payment method on Temu. To start the process, open your Google Chrome and search for Temu login. Now tap on register and log in. Here tap on continue with Google. Then tap on your Gmail account. Here tap on your profile icon. Now click on addresses. After that, tap on edit. Now turn the toggle on for set as default. Then tap on save. Now tap on profile icon. Here tap on settings. Now tap on your payment methods. Then tap on add a credit or debit card. Enter your card number. Then enter the expiration date. Enter the CVV code. From here, you can check your billing address. After that, tap on add your card. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.